Hello dear students, greetings for the day from Madhavi Children's Academy. So this is Vikas Gupta, your class 8th computer teacher. Today we are going to learn session number 2 of 2 of our chapter number 4, working with queries. So in session number 2 of 2, we will learn about specifying multiple criteria, we will learn about forms and we will learn about reports. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Have you put your stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So let's start. So today we will learn about specifying multiple criteria. Okay. So to specify multiple criteria in a query, follow the given steps. We suppose you want to see the records of class 8 as well as class 9. So we will move the cursor to the criteria row and type the condition equal to 8 in class fields. In class fields, in the criteria, we will write equal to 8 and we will type the second condition equal to 9 in the OR row of the same column. In the same column, we are having OR criteria, okay? In this OR row, we will write equal to 9. Now, what will happen? We will get the class 8 as well as class 9 students, okay? So firstly we will save the query. So firstly we will save the query. We have saved the query. Now what we have to do, we will run the query by clicking run command, okay, on the design tab and observe the output. In the design tab we are having run command, okay. We will click on it and we can see the students now class 8 as well as class 9. Look at here, we are having class 9 and class 8 both students, okay. Next one is forms. So in general, a form is a piece of paper on which a user fills required information in specific fields. Form in Microsoft Access 2010 are quite similar to it. They allow you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. Although Access provides data sheet view, which is convenient way for entering data. It is not an appropriate tool for every data entry situation. Sometimes when you work with different users and do not want to expose your confidential data, you may choose to use Access forms to create a more user-friendly interface. A form can have a different name from a table, yet a form manipulates the same information and data in the corresponding table. If you change a record in a form, it will be reflected in the table also. Data can be inserted, updated and deleted from a table by using a form object. So we had seen that there are many uses and more benefits of forms. So Access provides three main views where a form is displayed. Look at here. First one is form view, second one is design view and third one is layout view. Form view is used to enter, edit and view data. Design view is used to adjust the design of your form. It gives you a more detailed view of the structure of a form such as header, detail and footer sections. In the layout view is used to change the appearance and size of the various controls of a form. So how to create a form? Now we are going to learn about creating a form. So to create a form, select a table or query in the navigation pane that you want to use as the data source for the form. So we will use this query as data source of the form. So firstly we will click on the create tab and on the ribbon and select form option in the forms group. Click on create and in the forms group we will click on the forms option. We will click on form option. Look at here, now this form we have got. So a new form is created and opens in a layout view. In the layout view where you can change the appearance of a form, you will notice that three new tabs, design, arrange and format, appear in the ribbon. Look at here, we can change the appearance of this form, okay. We are having many controls here, but we can see there upside 3 new tabs: design, arrange and format. So if you want to edit or enter the data in form, click on the view drop down arrow on the home tab and select the form view option. Here we can't edit the data. We have to click on view button, then in the form view. Now we can edit the data. Okay, it's very simple. Now use the record navigation bar to move through the records in the form. To move to the previous or next record, we will use this navigation bar. Look at here, like this. I am moving. Now I am having 103 roll number, 101. Okay, like this we can use this. Okay, so you can use record navigation bar to move through the records in the form. After finishing the data entry, when we have finished the data entry, all the data entry we have done, then what we will do, we should click on the save option. Okay, we can save this and we can specify the form name. Okay, look at here, we can save it. Okay, and we can give the form name, like I am giving this form students entry form. I am giving this name students entry form. Students entry form, as it is given in the book, I have given the same name. Now I have clicked and saved. This form is saved by the name students entry form. Okay, now we are going to learn about formatting a form. You can change the appearance of a form by using the various options available on the design and the format tab. Look at here. When we will open it in the layout view, now we can see we are having design and format tab and arrange tab. So we can use a design and format tab to format it. So using design tab, you can add a logo and title to your form by making use of the logo and title options present on the header footer group in the design tab. Look, in design tab we are having header footer group. In this we are having logo and title. We can put logo, we can give the title here of the form. Okay, next one, we can see here the title like this. We can use the logo from here, we can select. Okay, so now next one is using format tab. You can format the font. How we can format? We can format the size, color and alignment of the labels, add a background image, change the color of the shapes, etc. using the various options present on the format tab. Look at here, in the format tab we are having many options. Okay, we are having font group. Okay, we are having number group, we are having background group. We can control formatting here. Okay, so next one is reports. A report, look at here. Now we'll save it, we'll close it. Now we'll learn about reports. A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data. For a report can be created exactly in the same way as you have created a form. It is very simple. As we have created the form, like that we can create a report. Okay, click on the create tab and select the report option in the report group. Look at here, we will click on create button, create tab, then we can click on the report. In the reports group we can click on the report button. So okay, so we have SS creates a report and places all the fields of the selected table in the report. We have selected this one report. Okay, so it have given us the same report. Okay, now 4 new tabs appear on the ribbon, namely design, arrange, format and page setup. Now one more, we have got one more tab, page setup. Okay, so these 4 setups are for report layout tools. Okay, these are report layout tools. We can do formatting by them. Okay, we can save, okay, this report same way, in the same way. Okay, like we can save this report by the name students. Okay, so it's very easy. Now formatting a report, it is also very simple. As we have edited the form, we can format this one also, like from design tab we can take these many controls here. We can give page number, we can give logo, title we can use, we can change the color, we can change the fonts, themes. And from the format tab we can change it. Okay, we can change the font color, style. Okay, we can change the alignment, we can change the background image. Okay, we can use shape fill, shape outline. So we can do the formatting same like the forms. Now printing a report. To print a report, select the file tab and then click either on the print preview option, or select the print preview button on the quick access toolbar. Okay, this view displays how the report will appear on a page. Look at here, file, print preview. So this is our preview of the this type. Our page will be printed. So it also allows you to choose the page orientation, page setup, etc. We can change from here. We can made it landscape mode. We can take it in the portrait mode. Okay, we can get the page setup. Okay, from here we can change the margins. Okay, if needed, modify the page size, margin, width and page orientation using the related commands on the ribbon. Click on the print option, the print dialog box will appear. Set any desired print options and then click on OK. If you want to print it, we will click on print button and the document will be printed. Okay, so this is now the recap of this chapter. Read this recap very carefully by pausing the video. So pause the video and read this recap. Dear students, I hope you have read this recap of the chapter very carefully. So I hope you have understood all the things in chapter number 4. Now, this is the end of the chapter number 4. So the homework is complete question number A, B and C in book that you will get on page number 37. You will write question number D answers in your notebook. So one note is here. You have 2 weeks to complete all the work of this chapter. All the solutions you will get along with the video. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.